Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, as you can see on the screen, and welcome to today's video. It was a Sunday in the afternoon. In the evening, actually, I was so frustrated that what am I going to eat for dinner? I didn't have anything. I was like in between of cooking and not cooking. Big up to those who have meal planner, a weekly meal planner. Those that knows Monday we eat this, Wednesday is this one, and I cook as I go. So on that day it was a disaster. So I am just gathering things and putting them on the table to see which one can go with which one, so that I can just fill up my stomach with something. So if you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. Like I said, please subscribe to my channel. I do cleaning motivation videos, laundry motivation, and grocery hauls, some lifestyle videos. So I am having two tins there. It's a chakalaka, and normally I buy mild and spicy. This time it was hot. I didn't even see it. It is important to read details. So I was just wondering, why is this thing popping in my ears? If you normally watch the Popeye, some cartoons, when they eat hot stuff or chili stuff, like those ones, they just exaggerate some activities. You'll see fire coming from the ears like that. Yeah, baba, according to my taste buds. And sorry, I was having also a tin fish, some bell peppers, all of them. We call them the roboto. Roboto is red, yellow, and green. So I have red, yellow, green bell peppers, the onion, and I'm going to be cooking macaroni, or you call them pasta. I don't know what to call them at this time. They are looking spiralish. Kiriki spiral macaroni. Yeah, I don't know, but they are spiralish. They are called Tuxin something. That brand, that's what I'm going to do. I didn't have meat. I didn't have anything. So I had that butternut also. I'm chopping it. I just washed it. I'm going to cook it as it is. No mash today because, and some eggs, which I decided later. Actually, I forgot about them. So I decided later that let me just add with some boiled eggs. Let me tell you something. Me, as a lazy woman who likes quick things, here I am just going to boil. The main thing that is going to make me stand up a lot is those bell peppers with onion. So I'm going to boil this butternut. I'm going to boil macaroni. Which one is boiling? I'm going to boil eggs, 4 eggs, and they are quick like that. The tin fish I'm going to mix with chakalaka for some taste. I would start by putting chakalaka ka gare ga poto e fufulenyana e fry, and then ke chele thapi ka godimo le yona a ke tlo e feretha gore e ska dubagana. I want that that feel ya bo fishy we namanyana, guys. Yeah, just like that. So let me put the butternut so that it can boil while I am going to do other things. While you are on this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, your family, whoever you would like to share with. This is just an easy meal which was unplanned. Actually, I didn't even plan to cook macaroni. Normally macaroni, I use them to do a tuna salad. I mix them with tuna and mayo for salad. So I am filling up that pot with that macaroni there. They were finished. The one that was in a canister, they were finished. And that canister, I got it from Pep Home at a price of 20 rands. It was 20 rands. And I bought, I think there were six of the small one and 4 of the bigger one. Yes, it is looking like that, and it is very strong, guys. So far it's holding me okay. I like it, guys. There's a Coca-Cola there. I on a fridge. I just drink it like that. Ke a e rata, whether it's cold or not, I just like it. I like the Coca-Cola. So let's just cook. Right now on this one, I'm going to chop the onion. Onion is going to be going with those bell peppers. I'm not going to do anything or mix anything. It's just gonna be them alone. A reason being, I just want them to give a popping color, because you can see I don't have even vegetables. It's just white macaroni and the colors which are robos there. You can call them bell peppers, or I don't know how you call them. So I'm just going to chop the onion. Who likes chopping the onion? Most of people don't like chopping onion because, guys, it makes you cry. But I figured out how to chop it without making me cry. Just like that, if you chop it like that, I think for me it works. It doesn't make me cry, and it doesn't left in the smell doesn't so gone with the wind of August. Guys, as I'm in the August, this month is my birth month. I'll be having a birthday towards the end of this month. So I was saying, monkgo wa onion o shalela mo diateng. Your hands will be smelling onion like for the longest time, but me we kgebelela ka mkgola a wa nna ke nkge matsogo. I'm not smelling onion in my hands, so I like chopping it like that. These bell peppers, I'm going to use half from each. I don't want a lot of them. And actually, I am even saving it to use them for the on the following day for the other meal that I want to prepare. So yeah, guys, I hope you are still enjoying the video. Please share this video out. It's a good one, guys. It's a good one. Let's support the channel by watching from the beginning of the video until the end, and do not skip those ads, guys. They make me they make the channel grow. Not skipping ads make me earn some revenue, because I am doing this out of love. I film on my own, I edit on my own, everything I do it on my own. So getting some compensation inyana from adverts, it will help Mogelo to keep on standing. So let's just keep on watching the ads and watch the video from the beginning to the end. If you can share, please share it to your community tab or any of your social media, just like that. Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying, you guys, can you see the popping of those colors together? They just make a look, a beautiful look. I love it so much. That's why I don't want anything in it. And na mama zala wasekhaya ngithanda iraja, guys. Ke rata raja, ndiyayifuna iraja. Ndiyayilava raja. I don't know Tsonga is a bit difficult for me, but I can speak Zulu, I can speak Venda, not perfectly though, but I try. As for Tsonga, for me, it's a nono yarana. I tried, but Jehovah, I only know Ingarimuni, Ulabakuyakui, those ones. So I love Raja, and those ones I'm just shashe for taste, and that is black. No, is that, yeah, it's a black pepper. I thought it's ginger, and I now remember ginger has an orange cap. So butternut boiling, macaroni boiling, the robot frying, we are good to go.
That you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out.
You know, when you cook macaroni in a boiled water, it only takes 8 minutes for them to be okay, and then you remove them from the water. They are good to go. I saw that on some TV shows and some cooking shows, and I find it so easy to make. So I'm going to boil those 4 eggs to blend in the meal also. Guys, I am going to open this thing and start cleaning up the fish inside. But you guys tell me, comment down below, why do we remove those things? Han adijiwi. Agiriki maya fishy and the bone of the fish, and that bone is so soft that it's edible. You can just eat it, but why are we removing them? Why?
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
Yazi kama potong ene go shetse go lokile, it's okay now. I think I don't want to cook them to be too soft or ditlo lapa, and then wa khumana go gore bethane go thaka no sa bone ntshule tshweu. So I'm going to leave them like that. I think they are fine after pouring that salt. They are looking so good. See, I told you, a kenya ke fish e rathane. A kenya ke e dubagane. Kenya ka e dule o ka re ke nama. A ke ra ke na nama, guys. I don't have meat on this day.
Walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Thank you, guys. This is how my meal is looking. And there's no green, guys. Thank you for watching. And I love you. And see you. Bye.
By the sounds I'm breathing.